Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and today I'm going to show you how to claim the child tax credits on Turbotax in 2025. It's going to be a quick video. We're not going to waste too much time on this topic. Just going to give you guys a very quick step-by-step guide. So let's jump into it. First, you're going to gather necessary documents. So the first thing you got to do is to collect your child's social security number, their birth certificates, and any other required documents. Once that's done, you're going to log into Turbotax accounts. So just go to Turbotax website and log into your accounts using your email address and your password. And once you're logged into your account, you're just going to select the tax year that you want to claim the child tax credit for. Once that's done, you're going to select credits and then choose child tax credit as your credit type. Next, you need to enter your child's information, including their social security number and date of birth. Next, you're going to claim the child tax credit based on your child's age and your income. And once all that is complete, you can just review and submit that claim. So just go ahead and review your child tax credit claim and submit it to the IRS, and they're going to take care of the rest for you. So yeah, that's pretty much it on how to claim the child tax credits on Turbotax in 2025. Hope you guys liked the video. Hope you found the information useful enough. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought. Share the video with your friends and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. And I'll see you guys in the next one.